In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can sign up for the Avion Rewards app, view your rewards points, and ways in which you can redeem your Avion's points. So here on the welcome page, you're going to select the option that is best suited for you. So I'm an RBC online banking client, and here it will need your client card and your password. So enter your client card if you're an RBC customer and password, and then you sign in. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll see your Visa card and your rewards points. Now please keep in mind that the card that you're going to use to sign in is not the Visa card number but your client card number. When you scroll down, you'll see the various ways which you can redeem your Avion points. So you can shop on Apple, you can buy gift cards, you can purchase merchandise, or you can even shop at Best Buy. When you select more ways to redeem, you'll see that you can cash out your rewards points. So you can send an e-transfer, pay down a credit card, or even invest and pay loan, or give to a worthy cause. So let's go back to the home page. When you select your points, you'll see the list of points spending. When you select available points, you'll see the list of transactions and the amount of points that you earned. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.